everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use a compass on your Android phone. Just going over the Google Play Store here and then search for digital compass. So digital compass, this is probably a good one right here, 4.7. And then just install this one and open it up. And you can see it's going to be pretty basic. Not now. And then you can just switch this around and you can see how it works. So this one's very basic. And let's see, it says I'm pointing north right now. I don't know about that. So we can just try it out in our location. And that is definitely not north. But we can just try it. Magnetic heading. You have to allow the GPS for this. I'm going to go do this at another time and try it out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.